Hi everyone, my name is Elsa Baumgartner and I am the participant pool coordinator here at the University of Mary Washington. I am studying psychology and I'm very excited to talk to you today about your role as a participant in the participant pool this coming semester. So you are watching this because faculty of the Psych Department want you to get engaged with the research process of psychology. In order to do this, they want you to participate in studies that upperclassmen, faculty, method students are all running so that you get a deeper understanding of how the research process is conducted within the field of psychology. So, this semester, you will be required to earn a sum of research participation credits, the sum of which you can find on the Canvas page. The way that you can fulfill these credits is by either participating in studies, which is what I'm going to be talking to you about today, or writing research papers, which you can find more about on Canvas. So, for participating in studies, participating in a 30-minute study will grant you zero point 0.5 credits, and participating in an hour-long study will grant you one whole credit out of that sum that you need, again, which is on the homepage of Canvas. So I'm going to take us back in time a little bit and show a video of me 2 years ago explaining to you how to go about the process of signing up for participating in studies. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Canvas page of participant pool, whichever semester you're taking it in, and click on the link that leads to SONA and take it away, past Elsa.
So how do we sign up for studies? We're going to be using a system called SONA, and the link to the SONA website to sign up for studies is right here on the Canvas homepage. So you're going to want to click that, and you're sent to this login page. So your user ID is going to be your regular UMW login that you use for everything. So say that my name is Sally Student. My user ID is going to be S Student. And your password is going to be the exact same thing. So for Sally Student, it will also be S Student. So the first thing you're going to want to do after you are introduced to this home page is change your password so that people can't get in to your account and sign you up for studies you don't want to participate in. And you click that and it will send you a link on how to change your password. And once you've done that, you can go home and you're going to want to sign up for studies. So you're going to click View Available Studies. And make sure that you read all of the relevant information about every study because some might not be up your alley, some you might not be eligible for. So for example, this study says face processing, a study on how we process emotional faces. Seems interesting. Well, look at the eligibility. For example, for this experiment, you must be right-handed. So Sally Student happens to be right-handed, so she can go ahead and sign up. But for some of the studies, you might not be eligible to participate. So make sure that you're looking at all the details for all of the studies. So we're going to click on time slots available, scroll down, and this study is 0.5 credits because it's 30 minutes. So you'll go in for 30 minutes and receive 0.5 credits. And we're going to click View Time Slots for this study and show up a calendar. And for this study, there's only one time slot, but you're going to want to look for time slots that fit with your schedule. And please make sure that you can actually go to the ones you sign up for. So more on that later. And click Sign Up. And then you're signed up. So you can look at your schedule and your credits. And we're signed up for face processing. And if we go back to studies, and we go back to home, we'll see in our credits overview that Sally Student has earned 0 credits, and there are 5 required, but there's 1 pending that she will get once she goes and completes that study. However, if you know that you're not going to be able to come to your study, please cancel. And please cancel as soon in advance as you can, as soon as you know that you're not going to be able to make it. And the way you do this is you go under My Schedule and Credits just here on the home page and click View and Cancel My Study Appointments. And you scroll to the side and see Cancel, Face Processing. Yes, I can't make it. So you go down. Would you like to cancel this sign up? Yes, I want to cancel. And it says cancellation successful, and you'll get a confirmation email whenever you sign up and also whenever you cancel. If you don't cancel but you don't show up, you're going to be considered a no-show. And please don't be a no-show. We have a no-show policy in place. You will be allowed 2 no-shows per semester. Each time you will receive an email saying, hi, you signed up for this study, but you didn't show up. Please make sure you come to the next one. If you do not show up 3 times, you will no longer be able to fulfill your research 5 credit requirement through studies. You will only be able to do the writing papers option. So please, please don't be a no-show. It just wastes the researcher's time. It wastes your time. It wastes other people's time and their opportunities.
Hello again. Just a few little reminders and helpful hints about this process. If you have any questions, I know that was a lot of information that was just thrown at you. If you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out to me. My office hours are listed at the top of the Canvas page on the home page. I'm in Mercer Suite 320. Also, just shoot me an email. I'm on my email all the time, so I'd be happy to answer any sort of questions you have. Just a few reminders, really keep an eye out on Canvas because every time a new study is posted that I've approved, I'm going to post about it on Canvas saying, hey, there's a new study, go ahead and participate if you need credits. Also, keep an eye out on Sona and Canvas around fall break because that happens to be a time when a ton of studies are getting approved and posting. So people are desperate for participation. It's a great time to knock out a huge chunk of your credits. Also, show up to the studies you sign up for. If you can't, don't be a no-show. It's going to hurt you and the researchers in the long run. Just cancel if you can't make it. It'll just save everybody some pain. Another thing, if you are under the age of 18, you will need to complete a guardian consent form also found on the home page in Canvas. Just fill that out, send an email to me, or come in person to my office and hand it to me, a physical copy. But yeah, other than that, reach out with questions, please. I'm here to help you. That is my job. And good luck and have fun participating in studies this semester.